Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a great value with less than 43,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include lighting package, multimedia package, sunroof, heated front seats, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius Satellite Radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.